Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Ford Focus. The Focus is a popular hatchback that has been around for over 20 years. It's known for its sporty handling, spacious interior, and fuel efficiency. In this review, I'll be taking a closer look at the Focus's performance, comfort, interior, and technology. I'll also be comparing it to some of its rivals, such as the Volkswagen Golf and the Honda Civic. The Focus is available with a variety of engines, including petrol, diesel, and hybrid. I've been driving the 1.5-liter EcoBoost petrol engine, which produces 182 horsepower. This engine is plenty powerful for everyday driving, and it's also quite fuel efficient. The Focus is a lot of fun to drive. It has sharp handling and a responsive steering feel. It's also very stable at high speeds. The Focus's interior is spacious and comfortable. The front seats are supportive and there's plenty of legroom. The rear seats are also comfortable, even for adults. The Focus's ride is also comfortable. It's not too soft, but it's not too firm either. It strikes a good balance between comfort and handling. The Focus's interior is well designed and well equipped. The dashboard is clear and easy to use. The infotainment system is also easy to use and it has a large touchscreen display. The Focus also has a number of standard features, such as air conditioning, cruise control, and Bluetooth. There are also a number of optional features available, such as a panoramic sunroof, heated seats, and a navigation system. The Focus comes standard with a number of advanced safety features, such as lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features can help to keep you safe on the road. The Focus also has a number of technology features, such as a Sync 3 infotainment system and a Bang & Olufsen sound system. These features can help to make your driving experience more enjoyable. The Ford Focus is a great all-round car. It's fun to drive, comfortable, and practical. It also has a number of advanced safety and technology features. If you're looking for a hatchback that's fun to drive, comfortable, and practical, then the Ford Focus is a great option. Here is a comparison of the Ford Focus to some of its rivals. Volkswagen Golf. The Golf is another popular hatchback that's known for its driving dynamics. It's also a bit more expensive than the Focus. Honda Civic. The Civic is another great option if you're looking for a fun-to-drive hatchback. It's also a bit more fuel efficient than the Focus. Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 is another great all-round hatchback. It's not as fun to drive as the Focus, but it's more comfortable and has a nicer interior. The Ford Focus is a great all-round car. It's fun to drive, comfortable, and practical. It also has a number of advanced safety and technology features. If you're looking for a hatchback that's fun to drive, comfortable, and practical, then the Ford Focus is a great option. Thanks for watching my review of the Ford Focus. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more car reviews.